Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Today I'm checking out this surge protector for an RV. So this has a couple of nice features on here, including, but not limited to, protection up to 10,000 joules. It has different readouts for different things. So correct wiring, voltage below 104, voltage over 132, open ground, reverse polarity, over temperature alarm, and temperature sensor abnormal, and no power hot or neutral open. So it'll give you indicators on all of those. So it's quite handy. A very good way to protect your investment of your RV. You don't want any surges frying your stove or anything like that. So this also has an IP7 waterproof rating, has this nice little readout here, and a cover that goes over the display also to keep your plug protected as well from getting wet. So guarantee there's not going to be any water getting in there and causing any issues. But this is also, it has a surge protection also up to 10,000 joules, so that's quite handy. You can see it has this handle right here too. You can grip that and be able to pull that out of the wall easily, so you don't have to fight it trying to grab on the sides as well. So this nice lid here offers protection too against the weather, and nice and thick and sturdy cord here. Anyways, my friends, let's go check it out. Hey friends, here we are outside. I have it hooked up to the RV here, and as we can see, it's giving me the error 3 code, which is, you can just look on the little diagram there. Error 3 is open ground. So it just lets you know whatever's going on with that, but very handy. It told me right away what was going on with that, and I was able to, you can correct that if we need to. But super handy device here for your RV. Protect you from surges and stuff like that up to 10,000 joules. And easy to plug in and waterproof as well. So thanks for watching, my friends. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.